You should add herbal remedies for your garden. Calendula virus antifungal, antiseptic, wound healing ally. Cilantro capable of removing heavy metals and other toxic agents from the body. Lemon balm, have a relaxing, antispasmodic effect on the stomach and nervous system. Peppermint, may relieve digestive discomforts such as indigestion and vomiting. Rosemary, stimulates energy and optimism and sharpens memory and concentration by bringing more oxygen to your brain. Mullein, help heal bronchial respiratory infections. The leaves are commonly added to cough formulas. Thyme, antibacterial and antiseptic properties of thyme's oils to prevent winter colds and flu. Lavender alleviates stress, tension, and insomnia. It's also used in creams to treat sunburns and acne. German chamomile, treating colic, nervous stress, infections, and stomach disorders in children.